Hello everybody, welcome to TopTeenFix channel. Today I want to show you how to fix the battery switch on iPhone 8s Max. As you can see right here, the battery health is on switch that we need to replace the battery, but in this video I just want to show you how to fix this without replacing the new battery. Okay, but we need to have a tool for doing this. Okay, so let's go. Firstly, we need to disassemble the phone in order to get the battery out. You have to trust yourself to disassemble the battery. We are going to fix the battery switch without replacing the new battery because whenever we think that the battery is okay for using, okay, so that we can use this tutorial without replacing the new one. Okay, so let's go. Just plug the tool that is called AY A108, and then you have to connect the battery with the tool. Make sure the connection is work very well. Okay, so it showed us the battery is original, and there are three options down here. Okay, so let's go to see this. You have to press on the right button. Okay, just press on the right button, and right here we need to correct the cycle to 0. This equal to the battery charging, the number of the battery charging. We need to make it to 0. Okay, 0 time. T, that means time, 0 time, and then select on test. After that, for the health, you can make whatever you want. You want to make it to 90, 100, or whatever you want, but I just want it to 88% for the health. I'm sorry, just I want to decrease it down to 80%. Okay, that's okay, and then you have to press the test, okay, to write the program on the battery. Okay, so that's it. After that, we need to disconnect the battery and reinstall the battery into the phone. Remember that this tutorial is just for the battery that we think is that's okay for us to use, okay, that we don't want to replace the other one, the new one. Okay, after that we need to check. Oh, it's not work. Sometimes you need to disconnect the phone, the battery again, or sometimes you have to reset the phone setting by going to the general and select on that option, reset all the setting. But in some cases, after resetting the phone, it doesn't work. It still doesn't work. That we need to flush, or we need to restore the phone into the factory reset by using the eye tool. Okay, but this is in necessary. Okay, but if you don't want to do that, do not do it, because it will lose all the data. But this is just a tutorial. Okay, if you want, you can do it. Okay, so right after the flushing, let's see, I have already flushed to iOS 18. So let's see the battery health. Okay, so that's it, battery health checking without service. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.